So this is a set of 3 Roco TT scale Altenberg coaches in a late 1920s livery. Now the coaches from the factory have got wheel pickups, so I've fitted ESU digital lighting. I put them on address 99 and function 2 activates the lights, and you get this nice fade in and fade out. They also have a randomized lighting pattern, so when they switch on they don't all come on at once. These coaches predate proper corridor connectors. There's almost like a little drawbridge mechanism between them. I presume that would only be used when the coaches were stopped. So it's just a nice addition to the coaches, gives them a little bit more life. With the windows at the end of the coaches you get good coverage with the lighting, and you've got all-wheel pickup, so it makes them nice and stable. So I've got a suitable loco with the coaches here. This is the Roco BR38 in the DRG livery with gold numbering there. So with the lights out, let's just pop them on. I did like the random start on that. Just gives a little bit more life to the coaches.